Howdy y'all. So I found this car, a scrap pile. My scrappy wrecker mate, he saved it, took it home and never got around to fixing it. So I bought it off him dirt cheap and fixed it up. Alright, let's see how she starts. First start of the day. It's a 1980 Toyota Corona TT133. Look at that. Not bad, eh? 4-speed manual with a 3T 1.8 litre 4-cylinder. Nice and clean, nice and green. Brand new fan belt, dizzy leads, good air filter, standard exhaust. She's lost a bit of baffles over the years, but still sounds pretty good. I didn't know much about welding or anything that needed to be done. It had squashed chassis rails from where the scrappies picked it up on a forklift. It had a heap of rust in it. Luckily my brother was an engineer and he got me started, showed me how to weld. I'd never welded before, so I bought the cheapest, crappiest welder money could buy and I just ripped into it. Started using a vise and a hammer and just bent up all the little bits of steel, welded them in, ground it back, welded it again till it looked good. Got it all re-registered, back on the road. Very straight, it's just had an alignment done. Took a lot of work to get this car back on the road. I had to make a slide hammer out of some box section, put a bolt through one end and then bent the other end with a hole so I could drill into the chassis rails and put a Tech screw in, and then I used a weight to slide back and smash into the bolt and pop out the dents from the forklift. Had to get a proper car mechanic / engineer to check all the welds and all the work. Personal truck, no worries. And have him sign it all off for the recertification. It's about the most strictest scrutiny a car can go through in New Zealand. But it passed with flying colours, so my work must be good, and I was just learning as I go, asking my engineer mates, asking my brother, asking people that know what to do, how to do it, listening and just giving it a go. And if you give anything a go, chances are you can do it. I managed to keep it completely original, except for they had taken out the springs. So I had to get new springs for it and I couldn't get original springs. I ended up putting Cobra Racing springs in, which were a bit lower but not too much lower. It did look nice sacked on its ass, but I just tried to keep it more like a daily driver than a scrape over every speed bump you go past, which was super annoying. That's what my old Valiant was like. She's as cool as a cucumber. It was a great little daily driver. I ended up selling it though to get money to put into the next project, which was my teenage muscle car, my Valiant 1972. Good little car. It was the one that got away. Hopefully the new owners are looking after it, still having fun with it. Drove it for years. Sure does look good. Thanks for watching everyone. Smash that like button if you want to see more videos like this. That Valiant in the background, my old one from when I was a teenager, I ended up getting 2 of them, cutting them in half and then making one good one. Full ground up restoration. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a video on it. Cheers all, take care, see you next time.